Why do birds suddenly appear every time we're out here? Eh. So I'm thinking about talking about Ojibwe winning dreams. Yeah, are you recording this? Oh, okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump in. BOOZHOO ni Janishinabe Doog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today our Ojibwe word of the day, Wajige winning, dreams. And in the Anishinaabe way, dreams are very sacred. We think of dreams as being gifts from the Creator. So if you have a dream, if you have a vision, something you want to do, somebody you want to be, you got to protect that. If somebody tells you, don't even believe in your dreams, that's never going to come true. You get away from that person. You got to surround your people who will help nurture your dreams, who will support you and encourage you to pursue those dreams. I had a dream once. I had a dream that I'd be in a podcast and we'd be out in the woods talking about dreams. Hey. So, Wachike winning dreams. And that brings up, speaking of dreams, our next song is called Dreaming My Dreams. And it's all about sharing your dreams with somebody and then dreaming them together. Dreaming My Dreams.
Said to me today changed my perspective.
Shane. That was really beautiful. Hey, and miigwech for listening. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening to our song and for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, Natasha Owe, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minowa, Hawa.